Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna Job Channel. Today we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in a reputed organization. Let's see everything in detail in this video one by one. So before that, as usual, I'm just keep saying the same thing only. So Varun Krishna Job Channel always will provide you the genuine tech job updates which is applicable for both freshers and experienced professionals. So in case we are having trust over me, then you can do not forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest job notifications, and do not forget to share the same to your nearby job seekers, colleagues, or friends, or who are looking for the new job as an experienced professional or as a freshers. Okay, please convey the same to them as well. Why? Because in case if you feel whatever the job I just posted here, in that case some jobs which is not suitable for you, in that case if your friends or somebody is looking for the same job change, then please share the same to them. By after that watching that video, they would get benefited. So that's why I'm just saying the same. Yes viewers, let's see everything in detail in this video. Let's go and watch the video right away. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not the hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the employer or anyone asks you to pay the money to get a job, please do not pay. It might be the fake one for sure. Also, I'm not the responsible for this. Okay, let's dive into this video. Yes, viewers, the company name is called Genpact. Genpact is hiring the freshers software data quality analyst. Genpact is a very good company. I hope you know very well, I guess. In that case, if you're having the good knowledge in the software data quality analyst role, then it should be the very huge opportunity for you as a freshers. So please have a look about the JD before you apply. I'm just keep saying the same thing only. Please, before, just read the description about the job very well, then do apply. Okay, so let me show you what are the qualifications they are just looking for, what is the skill set they are just looking for, where is the location, in case if you are shortlisted for this interview, if you have got the opportunity, where you are going to be work. So every detail let me show you one by one. Yes, they are just expecting from you good working knowledge in MS Excel or Python or SQL. So these are the languages they are just looking from you guys. So additionally, they are just looking for some solid understanding of the data validation techniques. So these are some best practices for the become a software data quality analyst, right? So in case we are having any one of the knowledge, so MS Excel, either MS Excel or Python, so these are the some core technology, right? So additionally, they are just looking for the database side, SQL side. So if we are having the good knowledge in any of the technologies, then not hesitate for anything. So Genpact is a very good company. So immediately you can apply all the, in case if you are feeling all the criteria, whatever they are just declared over there about the job description, everything is matched for you. In that case, please do apply immediately without wasting your time. Why? Because, so again, I'm just keep saying each and every the repeated point only in each my video. I'm just saying the same thing only. So why I'm just asking you to do the apply immediately. So lakhs of candidates are just waiting behind you, right? So in case if you are delayed some time, they'll just push back to you. Okay, that's why I just ask you to apply immediately once everything is figured it out, that is a genuine company and everything, then you can apply it immediately. Yes, job designation they are just looking for software data quality analyst. Okay, the qualification they are just looking for BE, BTech and MBA professionals. Experience, freshers and experience, they are just looking for both the candidates, fresher and experience. Let me tell you why they have mentioned the experience. Let me tell you, I will just open the career page link. Yes, this is the job description. So you will be the responsible for managing end-to-end process of planning, CEO, so data quality activities. Okay, so as a fresher you are not aware about the description. In case I'm just saying the experience of professional. So in case if you are worked 0 to 2 years, in that case you would get some hands-on experience in the software quality analyst test, right? That's why they have mentioned here job description. Yes, let me show you how to apply the position, what is the what is the link you have to go and apply everything right away. Yes, I just given the description link, I mean that career link into my description box. You just have a look and apply over that itself. Let me show you how to apply and everything. Yes viewers, thank you so much by watching this video. I hope it would be very useful for you. As if you are having passionate about the data quality analyst, in that case it would be very useful. If yes, it would be a very useful job for you. So again, I'm just saying the same thing, only in case if you feel which is not relevant job for you, in that case you can share the same to your neighbor job seekers, friends or colleagues who are looking for the new job opportunity. Please do share with them. Why? Because by watching this video at least they would get benefited. So in case if you are, whether you are subscribed or not subscribed, it doesn't matter. Please ask them to watch this video. They would get benefited by watching this video. In case if they are if you are having any fortunate, then they can by watching this video they can able to apply the position. They would get the job opportunity by watching this video, I hope. Yes viewers, let me just connect with you later on more new job notification. Until then, signing off. Bye.